Hey y'all, it's Zach, the legal tech advisor here at Lawyerist. Today I'd like to talk to you about content marketing for the legal field. Recently, I sat down with Elliot Stern of Accel Marketing Solutions and discussed with him what sets his marketing agency apart from others. Have a listen and see what you think.
My name is Elliot Stern. I am the CEO of Accel Marketing Solutions. We are a boutique marketing agency specializing in attorney and law firm marketing. We are a national agency. We have clients throughout the United States. We do everything from website development, website design, content development, SEO, paid search management, video production, really everything that attorneys and law firms need to be successful online today.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you guys are a full service digital marketing agency. You guys can handle the whole gamut of it.
We are.
Well, Elliot, thanks for being with me. I'm excited to talk to you a little bit about what sets you guys apart from other digital marketing agencies that are out there. And really that's kind of my first question is, what is it that makes you guys special? You are a full service firm, but what makes you special and different than some of the other ones out there?
We specialize in legal marketing. So the
Mm-hmm.
whole gamut between the development of websites, producing tons of unique quality content, and then the ongoing content on a regular basis. If you look at any of our websites, they're, for the most part, much larger than a lot of other marketing agencies and what they put out there for their law firm clients. We really get very granular with not only the top level practice area, but all the sub practice areas. For example, if you're a personal injury attorney talking about sidewalk accidents or Uber accidents or airport accidents,
Mm-hmm.
whatever the topic might be. And one of the things that separates us from other marketing agencies out there is the amount of new content that we generate on a regular basis. And we
Okay.
do this for a number of reasons. Number one, we want to make the attorney and the law firm look like experts in their area of law.
Right.
And number two, it's great for SEO. So
Mm-hmm.
part of why law firms hire us is they want to get their phone ringing with potential new clients who are online looking for answers to questions. And what we do is we produce the content around the questions that their clients ask them every single day.
Mm-hmm. And we're talking when you were saying your websites are larger than some others. Obviously, we're not talking about on a larger screen. We're talking about deeper content. Has a lot of that, you had said top level information where it's maybe looking for personal injury, but then you get into some very specific sort of, I think, long tail URLs or long tail SEO where it's truck accidents in Dallas, Texas. So you guys are getting into that kind of depth with your content is what I hear you saying.
That's absolutely correct. And depending upon the practice area of the law firm, for family law and divorce, for example, where we have a lot of clients that do family law work,
Mm-hmm.
Answering the questions, the long tail searches that people will ask Google on a regular basis,
Right.
particularly with the advance of the iPhone, where a lot of the searches now are just people hitting that microphone and talking into their mobile device and asking Google questions.
Right.
For example, how does a state decide on child custody? Or will I have to pay alimony? Will I be receiving alimony?
Right.
And depending upon whatever practice area our clients practice in, really goes into the deeper dive and where we go with a particular site.
Okay. Well, so we've got that depth in these sites. You guys are creating this content and this content marketing that is creating this authority for these attorneys. Who are the attorneys that can use this? Who's your ideal client that would get the most benefit out of you guys?
Really, any consumer facing practice area attorney.
Okay.
And one of the hardest things that we hear all the time when we're talking to law firms, one of the hardest things for them to do is to keep their website up to date, to keep their social media up to date.
Yeah.
And we take all those things away from them. So what we do for our clients is we create content on a regular basis, either once or twice a week. We post it on their website, we post it on their social media, their Facebook, their Twitter, their LinkedIn, their Google My Business. This is what Google wants. This is what law firms want to stay current
Right.
to their clients and to provide their clients with useful information.
Okay. So really anybody that is going to be potentially interacting with an attorney or finding an attorney through digital means, really, because that's what you guys are trying to do is get them visible, get them seen, right?
Absolutely. Not only on their Google My Business page, which is the local search that comes up at the top of Google, but also in the organic when people are looking for information regarding whatever questions they have when they're searching for an attorney.
Right. Right. Okay. Well, last question here is, what can people expect when they come to Accel Marketing Solutions, when they come and work with you guys? What sort of working relationship or what can they expect to do themselves?
Very good question. So the one thing that we can never promise is results. Now we have good expectation of what to expect, but what our clients should expect from us is that they're going to have a beautiful website that is going to be full of good, unique content, that we're going to be updating new content on a regular basis, and that they're going to get remarkably great customer service and a responsive marketing agency that stays on top of all their marketing needs.
All right. You can't really ask for much more than that. Like you said, you can't guarantee that somebody's going to be at the top of the SEO results and whatnot. Well, Elliot, thank you very much for answering these questions and for being with me today. I really appreciate your expertise.
Thank you, Zach.
All right. We'll see you next time.